Hi sir, good evening. My name is Miguel El Delatorre, G2, Section G2E1. The title or topic today is effects of bulging and permeability on the stability of the ship. The bulging and permeability effects of ship stability. Number Number one, water ingress. Bulging occurs when water enters the ship were due to damage or breach. Number two, loss of buoyancy. Water accumulation reduces the ship buoyancy, affecting stability. And three, increased weight. Added weight from water reduce the ship's received buoyancy. And what is permeability? Permeability, water absorption. Permeability refers to the amount of water that can center compartment of space. And effect of stability, high permeability can lead to increased water absorption, reducing stability.
Combined effects. 1. Reduced stability. Bridging and high permeability can compromise the ship's ability to remain upright. 2. Increased risk of capsizing, water accumulation, and loss of buoyancy increase the risk of capsizing. Importance. Understanding bridging and permeability is crucial for ship design operation and damage control to ensure stability and safety.